Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff, and I'm here with a really cool trick today to share with you about how to get your cling labels placed on your stamps perfectly when they arrive and you're assembling them. There is a trick floating around the internet about how to do this, and several people shared it with me this week. It is really handy, and I wanted to share it with you so that you know how to get them on perfectly when you put your labels onto your new stamps. So when your stamps arrive, as most of you know, you're going to pop them out of your rubber sheets. At that point, they're going to have some paper backing on them. It looks like this. You need to peel that paper backing off, and then they are ready for these labels. You don't have to put the labels on, but it just makes it a lot nicer to be able to see through your clear blocks to see exactly what you're stamping and where. So you peel that paper backing off, and then I'm going to show you how to put these labels on and get that perfect placement. So you have your label sheet right here, and normally we would peel off just the top layer and leave the label itself stuck to this sheet. So the new way is we're going to peel the whole thing off from the sheet. So you want that paper backing along with the sticker label underneath. Okay, so you can see the sticker label right here. I'm going to put that onto a clear block. And I found out you don't really want to, when I tried this the first couple of times, I was pressing down as hard as I could on that sticker label. When you press it down really hard, it's going to be a little bit harder to remove once you're done with this. So I learned not to press down quite so hard. So now I'm going to flip it over so that the label is the way that it's going to be when I'm stamping it. And I want to line up my stamp. Place my stamp on my work surface, and I can move this around until I get it exactly where I want it. Once it is exactly where I want it, I'm going to press down to stick it on, and I can lift to remove it from my block. Okay, perfect placement. I love this. So I'm going to show you again. Peel off your label from your label sheet, stick it onto your block. Now we have to remove that paper backing. There's always a little split in the center, so you can use that little split to get the paper backing removed. Line up your stamp. When you get it where you want it, press it down, give it a good press, and it is ready to remove from your block. So there is a quick and handy trick for getting those labels on your stamps in the perfect placement. I hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you again next time. Have a great day.